Alright, welcome back to the blog, welcome back to the channel. To the new subscribers, welcome, I appreciate it. I'm doing a mass airflow sensor cleanup today. I just went up there. All you gotta do is 2018 WRX. All you gotta do is remove this bottom part that is on the passenger side. Sorry for my finger. This on the passenger side. You just gotta remove a bolt that is right in here. You gotta remove that bolt, and then you take this down, and up there, if you have an aftermarket intake, I have the Cobb SF. You can see it right up there. If you got an aftermarket intake, it will be right in there. So I just took the two little screws out and took the mass airflow sensor out. I'm just gonna clean it out because when I bought this car was 37,000 miles. I don't know if anybody ever cleaned it. So I got this right here. I bought at the Advanced Auto part. That's what I'm gonna use to clean it up. I'm just gonna spray it inside there. Just gonna spray it, and then after you spray it, you just let it dry for a little bit. Air dry. You're not supposed to use any blower or anything to dry it out. Just let it air dry, and then after you let it air dry, then you put it back in, and that's basically it. You just gotta grab this thing and spray it right in there. Spray it up. Look at this. It says it's supposed to prove to gain 4 to 10 horsepower at wheels. Ain't that crazy? So there you go. You want some power on your car, just click your mass airflow sensor and you get it done. So there you go. That's the video for today. Leave a like, subscribe, and until the next one.